What is good, YouTube? Back with another video. Got a special video for you guys today. I'm gonna be taking my grandma for a ride in my car. She has never been in anything fast, anything remotely fast, so this is gonna be an experience. Hopefully everything goes well because honestly, like I said, she's old school, you know what I'm saying? You know how grandmas are. They don't want to go fast. They ain't trying to lose their life anytime early. So it's like, if not to even speak on that, but it's just like she hasn't been in anything fast, and I'm gonna be taking her in my car. Car's making about, let's just say, give or take 500 to 600 horsepower. So this is gonna be a full experience for her. I'm not gonna go too crazy because, like I said, I don't want to scare her too much to the point where, you know what I'm saying, we won't even speak on those kind of things. But this is gonna be a great video. We're going to pick her up right now, so let's see how she reacts to the car. I don't even know what she's gonna react. She could get super mad at me, she could be happy, I don't even know. This is gonna be an experience for me and you guys, like, so let's just get in the car, get straight to it. This is gonna be one for the books, guys, so stay tuned. So we just pulled up to my grandma's house. We want her just to be just a tad bit scared. We want her to enjoy the car more than anything, but like I said, she's old school, so we don't know how she's gonna feel about us driving fast, so wish us luck, pray for us.
Can you see?
Huh? I was getting my GPS. Oh, they got all the more cops.
Oh, what?
But the boys.
Just probably need more backup, huh?
Oh, he stopped. What is he doing?
Is he going? Is he turning?
He just stopped for no reason. He must have lied.
You had to stop
He
at the
might be.
intersection for the light.
Oh, there was a stop sign?
There's a red light.
I guess he wanted to make sure he don't smack nobody.
They don't care. I'll show you, baby. It's not because you guys used to using your GPS, huh?
Acquiring GPS signal.
You want to skew your trip out? It's not too loud, is it? Is it too loud?
You think I can make it an hour? Now, how fast are you going?
Normal.
No, you're not either. You don't put no ticket. I see, I'm gonna make him take me back home.
No, I didn't. We're not even going fast.
I know it. That's okay, I'll make you take me back home. I'll call David, he'll come get me.
We're driving normal, Grandma.
No, don't do that now.
You like the sound of it? Or you don't like the sound of
The
it?
sound is okay as long as you drive normal.
Normal. I'm going 60. This is a little bit over 60.
It's too fast, and you have a ticket for $3,000.
60? We're going 65.
They don't care. They're lying.
Whoa,
Saying you're going faster than you're going.
Look, he got the speed wobbles. He's
Just don't do that anymore.
alright. There was an on-ramp though.
It was. I know how to drive now.
Huh? You wanna drive?
No, I said I know how to.
You know the on-ramp, you gotta get to the flow of traffic though. We just got up to the flow of traffic. We didn't do nothing crazy, Grandma.
You need to slow down. What's the purpose of going so fast anyway?
We weren't even going that fast, but you know, it gets the heart, you know, racing a little bit.
No, but unrace it though.
Can we do it one more time?
Just not, huh?
One more time. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
No, just either pull off and let me off, and I get right back home real fast.
Okay, that's fine. Just like this. It's a little fun for you. You like roller coasters? You don't like roller coasters?
No, I do not.
Okay, yeah, see. That's why. We're going normal, Grandma. You're in good hands. I'm a good driver, trust me. You're in good hands, I promise you. I promise you. It's in my bloodline. I got the professional racer in me.
I don't want to hear all that.
We're good. We're driving normal 60. all the way there.
It's crazy to get a ticket for the way to stay.
Yeah, we don't get no tickets. We got the radar detector too. That's a get out of ticket free right there.
See, I'm well aware of what you're doing. How fast are you going now?
The flow of traffic. Look, I got people passing me.
Keep your eyes on this way. You don't have to look all across the highway.
I got my eyes everywhere. Rear view, side mirror, other mirror. This is your first time in a sports car though, huh?
Probably last too.
No. These are fun experiences. Is it too bumpy?
No,
It's the road, it's not my car.
It's okay as long as you drive normal.
Alright, normal.
Did you see that sports car driver, that black guy? What's his name? Bobby something? From Florida?
Bobby? His name's Bobby? I don't know Bobby.
He's a sports car driver. I think he was in
Wait,
Florida.
a NASCAR driver.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know who you're talking about. Bubba Wallace? Is
Yes.
Bubba Wallace? Yeah, he's a...
Remember? Did you see what he did? They almost had an accident. He and another guy were actually racing, and I guess he must have gotten angry with the guy at some point.
During the race?
Yes.
Yeah.
They almost got killed. When he gets out, they stop the cars and he starts fighting.
Oh wow. I didn't see that. I gotta go watch that.
Pull it up. It was on there yesterday. So they're either gonna fine him or not let him drive in the next race.
They're just hating on him. You think they're
Well, you
hating?
remember they didn't want him to race anyway.
Yeah. No, yeah, that was supposedly they were saying, oh, it was already there. There was like, oh, because there was they have a documentary online on Netflix. You know, on Netflix they have a documentary, and they were basically saying like, oh yeah, like it was already there.
Can you just slow down a little bit?
Grandma. All right, I'll slow down. We're going 65. Just let you know.
No, you were not going to 65.
Well, 70. Look.
The speed limit is not either of those.
What is the speed limit?
It's not 80, it's not 70, it's probably 55.
55 on a freeway. This is the interstate. I think. What do they call this? The interstate? What do they call this? We're going 50 miles an hour right now. Now you can actually
fine.
you can get a ticket for going too slow.
You wouldn't have that problem.
we're going too slow. We got Prius
Well, 60
passing
is
us.
good enough. We don't need to go any faster.
All right, 60. But you don't even like acceleration, huh? Cause
No,
yeah, no acceleration, huh?
no, I don't like all that.
I'm trying to get you out your comfort zone a little bit.
I'm fine in my comfort zone.
Look, we got, ooh, that's an S4. We're not doing nothing. We're not doing nothing. We're just going with the flow. Look, we got Altimas passing us.
That's fine, just slow down, because I see that speedometer.
Maybe I should cover it up.
You can cover it up, I can still tell.
You like the sound? It sounds
No,
good.
I do not.
You don't like the sound? I like the sound.
Did your mom and dad ever ride with you?
Nope.
They don't?
Nope.
Why?
They never got the opportunity.
That's my neighbor, so she said, now you be cool.
Yeah.
Going a little bit too fast now.
Let's slow it down. Another on-ramp though.
Just slow down a little bit. And there's bad enough now.
Alright, well I gotta switch lanes. Yeah, it's a big turbo, so you know it's sluggish down low.
Did you put another engine in here?
No, I added something to the engine. Just a little bit of a bigger turbo, just to makes it sound a little better. That's about it.
No.
They don't trust my skills. I'm a good driver. I do a lot of driving. Out of everybody in the family, I'm probably the best driver. Not even probably, I am the best driver.
They were questioning my riding in the car with you, probably.
They shouldn't do that. You're in probably the best hands out of everybody. I think. You don't think so?
I don't know.
I can show you my skills.
No, please don't. I can tell you mine too.
Wait, I should take you to like a track day, or we're on like a track or something.
Nope.
You might like that.
No. You know.
You don't like nothing fast. What's the fastest car you've been in? Hey, you gotta drive fast too. I seen you leaving the house.
I don't drive 100. I drive 90, and I don't do 80 unless I'm on the highway. 80.
Oh, so you do 80.
It depends on what highway.
So you speed too. You speed.
I just said it depends on what highway.
Are we on the right highway? Are we on the right highway?
No.
Because right now we're not going 80. We can do 80 though.
I'm telling you, you can just stop right up here. I'm not kidding.
We're driving normal, Grandma. I promise you. Here, I'll show you 80.
You think I'm good?
That's 80. Somewhat. That's not even 80 all the way. But look, that's a Nissan. That's a Ford Edge. They're in front of us. They're not going. We're going normal. Look, I got a car behind me that's on my ass.
Well, you're supposed to not drive in this lane then. Move over.
All right.
I'm
getting over.
I'm not gonna keep telling you that. I'll just tell you to stop up here and I'll call somebody to come pick me up.
Don't do that. We're having a good time. We're having a good time.
I can get lots of rides back home. Uber, Lyft, David.
Alright.
I ain't fooling with your mother because she'd have to ask 90 questions
Before she came, huh?
Decide to get in the car. Her and Jackie got to get their heads together. Heck no.
They've always been like that.
Yep, since little. They're worse now that they're older.
And they ask a lot of questions. Especially my dad. You know him.
They're nosy.
Too nosy. This guy wants to race me, but I'm not gonna do it.
No, don't do that.
He was staring at my car.
See, now you're gonna cut in front of you.
I would beat him, you know that, right? I wouldn't even waste my gas. A lot of people try to race me, but
You ain't never been in the hospital, broke up nowhere before, see?
because I'm a good driver. You sure you don't like the sound? Or is this too much?
Why you keep asking me that?
Because I'm just like, you don't like
This is fine.
No, I'm not saying like going fast. I'm just saying like the noise up, like
Well, the noise not bothering me. It's
Okay,
your
okay.
foot.
Oh, okay. Wait, do you feel like you still need your earplugs or no?
No.
Okay. I'm just curious. It is just a little droney right now.
No, it's just perfect.
Okay. It's perfect. Okay. It's not too loud, not too quiet.
No.
Would you want it more quiet?
You'd have to cut the engine off.
No, I mean like, would you want like I would have to like change the exhaust to like a
No,
quieter.
that's not bothering me.
Okay. As long as it's not too loud for you.
You know, like all your shopping and stuff, shoes and blah blah blah. And in here, maybe you can go in here and find your lunch space.
That's a nice plane right there.
They've been up there for years and years.
We just made it to the base right now. She definitely was not messing with the car like that. She said if I drove fast, I was gonna have to let her out and she was gonna walk or figure out a way to get back. So you guys saw as much as I can show you guys. So definitely stay tuned. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. Hit a thumbs up on this video if you guys like this kind of content or content's on the way. I'm sorry I wasn't able to go hit the full beans on it because, like I said, she was not playing. So definitely stay tuned and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.